all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Durai from Dice University, and we are going to talk about the native advertising meaning in today's video. It's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we get into today's video, please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video, only if you like this video at the end of the video, guys, not now. And do not forget the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you inside today's video, guys. Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to talk about native advertising meaning, which is what is actually native advertising. It's very simple, guys. This is actually a sample of native ads, so you can actually see over here, right? This is actually news and everything. This is actually a native ads. So if you scroll down further, you can actually see another form of native ads. So these native ads, what happens is that in the concept of native advertising I'm speaking of, it's really easy. They have to actually create a nice creative, they have to create a nice title, they have to create a nice description, and then they have to create a nice brand name. So once they have done all this, this will be considered as a native ad. So what happens if you click on this native ad? Let's say I click on this native ad. What happens is that they will either be bring to a offer page, or they will be bring to a landing page. So this is actually a landing page because they are actually talking about game changer for remote workers. So this is going to be about a business opportunity offer. So when it comes to a business offers, usually they will be needing a lot of landing page, and that's actually a good thing, because if you have a landing page, right, that means that you are doing a very good job. If you do not have a landing page, you're doing a very bad job, because now you see this is the thing, right? This is the thing I'm going to show you guys. Let's see the flow. So this is actually the landing page, right? So once you are in the landing page, you can actually scroll down and you can actually see about what they are talking. So usually they will have few links here, so that link will lead you to the offer page itself. So the offer page would be Bitcoin Bank, which is a cryptocurrency offer. So you can actually see over here, and when it comes to crypto offers, it's all about depositing money. So this is actually the offer page, and it works various compared to the offers, guys. Some offers converts on lead, some offers converts on conversion, some offers convert on sales, some on email summit, credit card summit, and all this kind of stuff. So usually cryptos, I've been doing crypto for quite some time. So usually crypto converts on a $250 deposit, guys. So this is the basic stuff, guys. So this is how the flow works like. So why it's very important to follow this flow from the ad to the landing page and the offer page is that because this is the best flow. Let's say from the ad, what happens is that you skip the landing page and straight away go to the offer page. So for example, this is the ad, you click on the ad, suddenly you go to this one. It doesn't make sense, right? Because you didn't actually engage the audience, you didn't actually warm up the audience. So most probably people who come here, they'll be like, what the hell is this? Suddenly they talk about this remote workers, suddenly they talk about this, and then it doesn't make sense and I'm not going to convert. But if you bring them to a landing page, we'll describe everything really nicely, some nice pictures of celebrities and everything. So once you have done that, they can actually go here and it will make more sense. That's the reason why we have a landing page in the first place, to warm up the audience, to engage them, and to bring only quality audience to the offer page. A lot of people knows that with native advertising platform, it's not compulsory to have a landing page, but it's highly recommended. We always recommend you to do. We always recommend you to actually go ahead and have a landing page so that you can actually warm up your audience and all this kind of stuff. So basically this is native advertising. Native advertising simply means that you're promoting native ads in certain platform, and this is the flow of the promotion. So from the native ads, it will go to the landing page and then it will go to the offer page. Now, how if you want to go ahead and do a native ads on the other hand? So now what you have to do is you have to work backwards, guys. This is how it always works. So for example, this is actually the ad. landing page, offer page. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go from the offer page, you're going to go landing page, and you want to go ad. That is what we talk about working backwards. So when you look from the audience perspective, this is the flow: offer, lander, sorry, ad, offer, lander. That is sorry guys, again I'm sorry, offer, lander. Oh my God, what's happening to me? Add, lander, and offer, guys. That's the full flow from the audience perspective. From the native advertiser's perspective, you will go from offer, you'll go to lander, and then you'll be going to the ad. So let me just show you what you need to do. First, you need to go ahead and get yourself into any native advertising affiliate network. So usually there's like a lot of affiliate networks that you can actually get these offers. The one that I would recommend if you're a beginner is Clickbank, because it's very easy to get access to Clickbank, guys, unlike Max Bounty and all that. So once you are here, you can actually go to the marketplace section. You can actually see all the offers, all the niche and all the sub niche and all that here. So all you got to do is go ahead and choose an offer. So let's just choose an offer. There's actually methods on how you can actually filter these offers. You only choose good offers by gravity and all this kind of stuff, but we're not going to talk about all that, guys. So what's going to happen is that you're going to choose an offer. So let's say you're going to choose this offer. So this is the offer page. So this is actually the offer page of the offer that you're going to choose. So research. So let's just imagine this is the offer page. Right now this is actually the offer page. So once you have done that, you hit promote, you generate the hop links. This is the link that you're going to copy and you're going to paste it within volume, which I'm going to tell about in a while. But let's follow the flow first. So once you have choose the offer, the next thing you need to do is you need to build a landing page. So we are going to use Landrise to build a landing page. The link to Landrise is actually in the description of this video with a free 14 days trial for you to actually go ahead and grab it, guys. So Landrise is actually a landing page builder created specifically for affiliate marketers, so that you can actually build your landing page and upload it straight away to Amazon S3, which makes your landing page to load very fast and will make your landing page to have a high click-through rate, as well as a high conversion rate as well. So with Landrise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a landing page. Make sure you set up Landrise and everything first, guys. That's a story for a different day. So once you have done that, you just create a landing page. Let me just show you how easy it is. Just create a landing page. For example, just choose a vertical. Let's choose a vertical, for example binary and a crypto or whatsoever, right? So we're just going to choose a vertical, for example. So you're going to name the vertical, it's going to be your offer's name, for example. And then what's going to happen is that you're going to go ahead and edit this. So you see, right, this is how a landing page will look like. This is how a landing page will look like, almost similar, right? So that's how it works, guys. So just go ahead and do all this landing page. So what will happen is that once you have created all these edited whatever necessary stuffs here and all this kind of stuff, you can see it's the same thing, guys. So once you actually edit all the stuffs, necessary stuffs here, you can go to the editors destination URL. You can actually take the tracking URL from volume, the click URL, and you're gonna paste it here. So what's gonna happen is that you have already chosen an offer, you have linked that offer with the Landrise as well. Now you're gonna link it with the ad, which we are going to see. This is actually the ad that we click, right? So we're gonna do a simple ad like this and we're gonna link it with that. So for this, you'll be needing a native advertising platform. There's actually a lot of native advertising platform out there, like Outbrain, Rave Content, MGID, and all that. I personally like Outbrain a lot. So once you have signed up into the native advertising platform, just go ahead and add campaign here. Once you go ahead and press an add campaign here, what will happen is the campaign will appear. You need to go ahead and do a campaign. So this is a usual standard way of how to do a campaign, guys. So do a campaign like this, like what, test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And our campaign objective, traffic, creative formats, choose your budget, to choose your daily budget. You can schedule your campaign, you can target a specific country, specific audience interest, for example, investing, student loans, retirement investment, all this kind of stuff. Placement, you can choose where you want to place whatsoever and all this kind of stuff as well. So once you have done all that, right, you're going to hit content. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an ad. So they will definitely ask you to create an ad. So that's what we're going to create. We're going to create an ad. So let's say we are a lazy guy and we just want to take this particular ad. You can literally, I'm just going to show you sample, guys. You shouldn't do stuff like this, but you can actually go ahead and sorry, you can actually go ahead and do this kind of stuff, which is not recommended. I'm just showing you a sample so that you have a rough understanding. This is total game changer for remote workers. So uh, this is a total, this is, oops, is a total game changer for remote workers, something like this. And then your site name, you're going to put www dot your offer name. Let's just say our offer is the same offer, Bitcoin Bank, so it's going to be bitcoinbank.com. So it's going to be something like this. And then your offer URL from sorry, campaign URL from your volume is what you're going to put it here, guys. So this is how your ad will look like. Now you have the understanding, right, from this particular, and then you're going to launch the campaign. So when you launch the campaign, this will be going to the audience. So now you have the idea. From this ads, you are going to go to this landing page, and from this landing page you're going to go to the offer page, which what happens here, from the ad go to a landing page, go to the offer page. So this is how native advertising works, and this is the meaning of native advertising, guys. So I've been talking about volume, right? Volume is an external tracker, because when it comes to this media buying business, you should understand that data is very crucial, and we need a platform to actually collect all this data, and that platform is actually Volume. If you want to use Volume, I've actually attached the link to Volume in the description of this video as well. So with Volume, you just let them know what affiliate network you're running with, what traffic source you're using. You let them know what offer they are using by clicking the offer, what lander you're using by clicking the lander, what campaign you're using by clicking the campaign. Connect everything and they will collect all the data. And for this creative that I did, right, I just did a creative. You can actually use Anthrax. Anthrax is actually a spy tool where you can actually go ahead and grab all these creatives, just like the ones that I actually grab here. These creatives, these titles and everything, right? You can actually grab all that within Anthrax. So you can actually go to a particular affiliate network. You can choose a particular affiliate network, a particular ad network, and then you can actually choose. You see, you can take this image, you can save this image, you can actually take this particular title and all this kind of stuff. I've also attached the link to Anthrax in the description of this video as well. So utilize all these, guys. So basically that's it, guys. That's how native advertising works, and that is the meaning of native advertising, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, guys. I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. Like I just told you guys, all the tools that I've been using, Volume, Anthrax, Landrise, everything, it has the link in the description of this video. And for Landrise, we have a special 14 days free trial as well. And also there's another link for Dice University Forum, a community where affiliate marketers come from all over the world to join together, to help each other, to build a community, and to strive to success together, guys. So go ahead and check it out as well. So I'll be leaving you guys right now, but before that, please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Good luck till then. Tata, bye bye.